Leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer. Tokenmetrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments. Nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Tokenmetrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.
Good evening, everybody, and good morning. We are live again. No, this is not deja vu. We are doing another live stream to bring you more information in this volatile market, but we are also going to talk Tokenmetrics 2.0. We've got a revolutionary technology platform that we've developed and we've made it better. So today, you're going to meet one of the men behind the machines. Okay, he's our financial engineer, Jad. How you doing? Welcome to the show.
Hi, Bill. Thank you for having me. Hi, everyone.
All right, and of course, we've got Forrest, who will help with the market update, and Ian Bellina, the man who can help us with hidden gems. Gentlemen, welcome.
Hey, how are you guys?
We're doing good. We're doing good. Okay, let's begin with Jad. So for you out there, thanks for tuning in. Don't worry, we will give you the market update, but we are going to tell you why Tokenmetrics 2.0 works really well. So first, we're going to talk about the visual trends indicator. Now, I worked initially with the team, okay, to help maybe teach the machine how to look at markets and give you signals as to when to get in and out. But the heavy lifting was done by both our quantitative and machine learning teams. So, Jad, tell us the story of how the visual trends indicator came about and give us a little demo on Tokenmetrics 2.0.
Yes, of course. So the visual trend indicator, just like the name suggests, it's an indicator that evaluates the overall trend of a specific token. Either it's a bullish trend or a bearish trend. So it really works extremely well in trendy markets like in the recent past. And the nice thing is that we tried so many different trend following strategies using simple moving averages, exponential moving averages, adaptive moving averages, and a bunch of other technical indicators to be able to design a buy, sell, or long short strategy, and making it very easy visually for customers to track a specific coin and to understand where it is in the current trend.
All right. So what quick question. So was machine learning involved in creating the indicator? And can you just give us a flavor for, like, say, why our AI and our system of doing things may be a little bit different than what's out there?
Yes, of course. So the main use of machine learning is to improve processes in ways that require a lot of computational power. So, for example, in the visual trend indicator, there's many parameters involved when evaluating moving average strategies. For example, there's a moving average window and things like that. For us, we tried to make the moving average window not a constant value of number of days, but mainly a function of volatility, so that when we have huge moves up, we don't want to trade too often. We want to let the winners run. And when there's congestions, we want to reduce as much as possible the moving averages. So our machine learning engineers came in very helpful in optimizing these processes for us. So instead of just using regular moving average strategies made or designed by humans, we are using AI and machine learning to improve them and to be more robust across different market regimes, essentially.
All right. So for traders out there, let me help summarize that. So they use artificial intelligence and machine learning, okay, to eliminate, say, false signals as much as possible, to help winners ride. Like traders like Forrest will tell you, let your winners ride and cut your losers short. Okay. So we use AI and machine learning to help us do that, so that when you look at the market, you're getting a view that, I don't know, a human being like me couldn't necessarily generate. It comes from a totally different type of machine thinking. So Jad, why don't you give us a look at how it looks on the site?
Yes, sure thing. So here on my screen right now, I'm looking at the token page of Bitcoin and Token Metrics 2.0. So here are all the different tabs that you can access for Bitcoin. And the trend indicator is located in the technical analysis tab because it's a technical analysis tool. So first of all, we are giving a TA grade for that specific coin, which is a short-term indicator on how the coin is being evaluated in terms of technical analysis. And as of now, Bitcoin's grade is not very good. It's 22%. But this is the trend indicator for Bitcoin. Now, when I was saying we wanted to design a model that will let the winners run, this is a good example of what I'm saying. We got a bullish signal at around $11,000 for Bitcoin, and we didn't want to sell all the way up. And the first bearish signal came in after there was a shift in this market regime, and the trend was shifting towards a more bearish trend. But notice how in phases where you could have sold and bought back at a lower level, we are not supplying any trading signals, which is good because you don't trade very often, because here it's a low frequency strategy. We also gave a high frequency strategy here, which is the same thing, but it trades a bit more often. And the nice thing for that is that, like I said, you let the winners run, but you also try to get out when this trend is shifting. Now, obviously, it's not always perfect. You might see some false signals, but essentially it will get you out from the big moves down, and it will get you in for the big moves up. And another nice feature that we added is that you will be allowed to see the back test of such a signal, where in yellow is the actual. So this is essentially